Hey, Dr. Dillinger, I just wanted to give you a quick update as to the state of our fitness flight simulator game. So I'll play one sec. We've added a pretty decent amount of things. So as you can see there, we have a Zeppelin asset that doesn't really do anything right now, but we have the nav meshes in place for him to move around, everything like that. So he's kind of just hanging out right now, but we're going to be programming that AI pretty soon, and he'll be doing missile spawns and probably healing bases and stuff like that. Something to deter the player from winning. As you may have seen there, I added a little post-processing effect to basically flash the screen red whenever the player takes damage to kind of make sure that they know that they got hit. Um, we also added in the serial connections that are going to be required for controlling the game with the flight simulator. So right now, Connor has a demo of it. He just kind of is sending the wave and score back and forth. Um, but it's going to be used to, obviously do the controls, pitch yaw, rotation, all that good stuff. Um, Pitch yaw roll. A few other things. Let me just look at we added the first person view actually, so we don't have the canvas up yet, but the first person view is in there. We also smoothed the camera follow. Basically, it's using a lerp now instead of just kind of being on a fastened hinge. So it's kind of a little bit smoother than it used to be. Also took out a lot of the guts for um, these bases that you see over here. So this is actually an entire Counter-Strike map. Um, and so basically I took out a lot of what was inside of it because it wasn't necessary, obviously, for the purposes of the game. Just to tone down the computational expense of the game in general. I think that's just about it. Um, yeah, that's all we've got so far. So thanks.